Next, a teenager has admitted crashing his car into a busy campsite in Newgale, injuring several people, including a baby. 19-year-old Jack Hale from Haverfordwest pleaded guilty to 4 counts of causing serious injury by dangerous driving when he appeared in court this week. The baby escaped serious harm thanks to being protected inside a cot. Witnesses described the car's speed as unbelievable, with CCTV showing it missed the change from a 60 to a 30 mph zone just outside the campsite. Campaigners say tougher targets are needed to clean up the air around schools in Cardiff and across South Wales, after new figures raised concerns about pollution levels. Research from the Friends of the Earth Cymru suggests that over 200 schools in Wales may be in areas that breach World Health Organization guidelines on harmful chemicals in the air. Around 2/3 of those schools are in Cardiff, but the council says its own data shows pollution near schools is much lower than the national estimates suggest. The Welsh Government says it's about to launch a public consultation on its air quality plan. Cardiff Council welcomed the debate, adding it's very aware of the health risks poor air quality can pose for children. 2 people have appeared in court after a teenager was shot in Pontprynaw. A 17-year-old boy, who can't be named, is charged with conspiracy and possession of a firearm with intent to cause serious harm. He appeared alongside a 20-year-old from Bristol who faces similar charges. The victim, a 15-year-old boy, was taken to hospital with non-life-threatening injuries after the incident in Clos-y-Fonon. Earlier this month, South Wales Police said Mr Corbyn was arrested in the Bristol area, and 4 other people have also been arrested as part of the investigation. Both defendants have been remanded in custody. The teenager will appear at Cardiff Crown Court next month as inquiries continue. And a young actor from Merthyr Tydfil is celebrating his big screen debut in a blockbuster horror sequel, and he's got his nan to thank for helping him land the role. 24-year-old Sam Locke appears in 28 Years Later, the latest chapter in Danny Boyle's post-apocalyptic film series, which hit cinemas this week. Sam says he recorded his audition tape in his nan Wendy's living room, with her reading in the other parts. The film stars Jodie Comer and Ralph Fiennes, and Sam says he's still pinching himself over the opportunity.